going to discuss about the pedagogies in teaching math to special education students, specifically to students with learning disability. So of course, let's have an overview of what we are going to discuss this morning. Yes, special education. So probably some of you are not familiar of this, but special education is a form of instruction that is designed to meet the needs of students with disabilities. Special education simplifies and modifies instructions and lessons to suit the needs of our students with disability or with impairment. So special education is actually strengthened by the Article 26 of 1948 Universal Declaration of Human Rights. It states that everyone has the right to education. So yes, we have the EFA, or we call it Education for All. It is a global movement ensuring inclusive, equitable, quality education for everyone. So that's the aim of UN, United Nations, and it's also supported by the UNICEF, and they have 4 goals, and that is universal access, equity, quality, and inclusivity. So when you say universal access, it means education for all ages, genders, and backgrounds. So kasi before, Black are deprived of education. Those who are living in the hinterland are deprived of education. Some of the brothers and sisters before na may kapansanan ay tinatago ng mga magulang nila sa bahay kasi they are not yet educated. So that's why we have EFA, and there are several organizations that supports EFA. So yes, that's universal access. So in the Philippines, we are embracing the special education, as well as we have ALS, or the alternative learning system, that caters the young ones or the teens that are out of school youth, and parang ano sila na nahihiya ng pumasok sa eskwela dahil mataas na yung edad nila, and yet they're still in grade 2 or in grade 1. So that's why we have ALS. And equity meaning addressing the inequalities that we had before. So yes, and then quality, hindi lang basta-basta na ipapasok natin sila sa paaralan, kailangan natin ng quality education for them. Dahil useless naman pag nilalagay natin sila sa Gen Ed tapos kailangan nila ng extra, or yung patience, yung understanding, at saka hindi yun basta-basta ibibigay lang. Kailangan yung magbibigay nun is yung special education teacher, trained teachers for special education. But when we say special education, hindi lang yun, it doesn't talk about children with disability. It also caters those who are above average, those who are very, very talented na hindi siya common for those normal kids or normal students, kasi they go beyond that. So yung mga talented na at a very young age kaya nilang mag-solve ng advanced mathematics, or kaya nilang mag-create or mag-invent ng mga technology, ganyan. So under pa rin sila ng special education. And yes, so when we say inclusivity, it is a embracing diversity, disabilities, and language. So hindi natin sila nilalagay sa isang lugar lang. Kailangan din natin na i-expose sila sa community para ma-aware din yung community kung ano sila at ano ang kaya nilang gawin. Dahil hindi yun pwede na ano, yung goal ng EFA is to help regardless of your race, regardless of who you are, your gender preference, educate nila, and because they believe that education is your passport to a better life. So that's why we have EFA.